Surya Festival 2011. Surya has chapters in 23 countries. The society is heading towards 36th year of its useful existence, catering to the needs of serious art enthusiasts all over the globe. Surya is the biggest cultural society of the world. Malayalam and World Malayali Council proudly presenting Surya Festival in Ireland on 27th of November 2011 at Crown Plaza Hotel, Blanchardstown around 6 p.m. In this great stage show, India's most famous artists performing their classical Indian art forms. International integration through culture is the aim of Surya Dance and Musical Festival. We proudly inviting you to participate and enjoy the show on 27th of November.